After you take the notes, do compare it with the transcript. Here I find out something really interesting. I wrote constant familiarity, but there was no such word. There was only constant repetition and surface familiarity, but I wrote surface level memory. So, are these preventable? I think to a certain extent, yes. Okay, I could have written the notes. I could have taken the notes a little bit more slowly. But I think because I understand the overall lecture, my actual answer didn't deviate from the lecture too much. I think what I said was something like, first of all, I knew constant didn't sound right, so I thought maybe it was instant. I wrote it incorrectly, perhaps. So I said, well, when he looked at the words, although there was instant familiarity, it was just surface level memory. I would observe whether the incident rates of this kind of mistake increases or stays pretty much the same. Okay. Because sometimes you're doing something in your daily life that is similar to note taking. Because sometimes when you're doing note taking in your daily life, or sometimes you're preparing for TOEFL reading, for example, or TOEFL listening, you are writing notes for a different purpose. And that those other ways of note taking might contaminate the way you take notes for TOEFL speaking. After looking at the number of notes, I realized that I have about 17 lines of notes plus 2 at the beginning, which is still a little bit too much for my usual average. But, I would just, once again, look at my time used at about half time and then decide on the spot whether I want to merge, say, 2 sentences together so that my total number of sentences can be down to 17.